Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of the Cypriot Meze. Today we are going to grill Halloumi cheese, which is the main cheese. They have it in Cyprus, and it's a mix between sheep milk and goat milk. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to grill it. If you ask me, can we find it in the US? Yes, because I was able to find it in Kroger, and it's Dodoni, it's made in Greece. And it's, as you see, Halloumi cheese. I hope that you will be able to find it close to you. So I just turned on the stove, and this is a cast iron grill pan that I'm using. And I'm going to cut it to slices, not very thin, not very thick. I added some olive oil. This is what I will use for frying the cheese. I want them to be golden brown, so I will just keep them a little bit. Then I will turn them on the other side. So as you see, it will release some liquids. That's okay, as long as you are using a grill pan. And as we said, this is one of the Cypriot Meze. So if you remember, I talked about what they present on the table. They start with the dips that we already explained in the last video. And then they bring this Halloumi cheese. And then they bring keftadis, burguri, as a carb, and then at the end is the main dish, which is the kleftiko. This Haloumi cheese is amazing with the salad and the bread that they present on the table. Smells amazing in here with the cheese and the olive oil. This is how the Halloumi cheese looks like after I put it on a plate. And now I will garnish it with some oregano. Then a little bit of olive oil. This is how the Halloumi cheese looks like after I added the oregano and the olive oil. As you see, that's how you present it and eat it with bread and salad. I hope you liked my episode today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.